Hey everybody, I'm en route to a project that had a structure fire that we've put back together, and I believe it's finally finished and staged and ready to go on what they're trying to do with this project at this point. And so I'm excited to get out here and take some video for you and show you kind of what we're capable of as a company. This was a good project. This required that pretty much the entire interior of this structure get reworked in order to put it back to its pre-loss condition. So our team has been doing an amazing job of getting this navigated, and I'm excited to get out here and take a look at it and see what it looks like. And so I'm gonna take you guys along with me. We'll see what happens. Okay, so I'm on site at the property. We've just put this thing back together, and they've put some contents in it. This is the house that's going to be sold ultimately. So they've put some things in to kind of stage it and make it look fancy, but I think it probably looks pretty good. Let's go in and see together what it looks like.
Yeah, this looks really good. So, new hardwood, everything repainted, retextured, wood on the stairs, everything is new. Cabinets. This place has a spectacular pool. Clearly we didn't have anything to do with that. But we did redo a bunch of windows. Redid a bunch of the cabinetry, upstairs, downstairs. This thing looks amazing. I know they still have to do a couple things, some touch-up cleaning. You get the frameless glass in, put the glass in on the shower. Closet looks great. Not at all upset with how this place looks. This one looks great. But the cabinets and everything look great. New paint, new top. What do you want to do? Fancy truck out there. Fancy. Just a store truck. Let's go look upstairs. See what we got. This looks great, man. New stairs, nice wood floor, carpet. Some of the fancy lines are still there. This looks great. I'm happy with this outcome. It's a good look.
So I'm actually really excited with how this thing looks. I'm pretty impressed with what's going on here. You know, there's a lot of work that went in to make this back to pre-loss condition from a structure fire. So obviously there's a lot of paint, a lot of new floors, a lot of setup to make this thing look really good. This wasn't completely reconstructed in terms of a property, but it does look pretty great. Let's go in here to the kitchen and let's see what it looks like in this kitchen. So this thing, these gray cabinets are spectacular. The new stone tops, new faucet sinks, all this stuff is set up. Looks really great and new. Appliances look pretty spectacular, pretty amazing with the stainless steel and the gray cabinets. I'm excited about what this looks like. I'm excited about the work that we've done and the team that we've got implementing this type of work. They've done a pretty spectacular job. Living room looks great. Built-ins look amazing. Floor looks good. Really great job done by our team, and I'm excited about what they've done. Pretty great project.